Hello, everyone.
Our agenda, executive overview, project selection, project definition, project plan, project risks, and project quality.
Executive overview. We decided to choose the project of holding a charity event and getting together after reopening. Our charity event will raise funds for the Indigenous residential school survivors. We planned events with Indigenous influencers and products. We planned a corresponding budget and timeline while also thoroughly analyzing the risks associated with the project.
When selecting our project, we looked at four different topics, which are the project of holding a charity event and getting together after reopening, and the project of smart bike sharing on campus, then the project of gardening and landscaping the campus with the help of students, and last one was the project of marketing and events for small businesses. After looking at these four topics, we decided to choose topic number one, which was charity event.
The charity event was chosen after using the weighted factor model. The criteria we used when using the weighted factor model was A, group interest, which we measured using a survey, B, opportunities for small businesses, C, needs for it after reopening, and D, social impact. The charity event scored highest in group interest, needs after reopening, and social impact, leading to its overall weight scoring the highest at 175%, with the second being Topic 4 at only 125%, making the charity event the clear option to choose. After returning to normal life from the pandemic, it is the perfect time for people to get back together for an event. With the past horrors that took place in Canadian residential schools becoming more public, our group wanted to take the initiative and create a charity event at George Brown College that will help to raise money to support the survivors who have suffered due to these institutions.
In our project definition, we covered the background, the purpose, our project stakeholders, critical success factors, product scope, key deliverables, estimated budget, and project constraints.
The project plan schedule. Our charity event is expected to take 114 days. This can be broken down into 5 stages in the following order. First, planning, which will take 34 days. Next, preparation for the event, which will take 39 days. Next, the day of the event, which will only be 1 day. After the event, which will be 28 days. And our strategy development, which will be 12 days. Throughout the whole charity event, we will have reoccurring weekly meetings.
The steps are planning, execute and project monitoring, preparation, execute and project monitoring event, after event, and strategy development. The process or key milestones are to be completed in this order. Schedule and project definition complete, planning complete, finalize agenda, staff ready to work, complete coordination of entertainment activities, complete list of guests, advertising campaigns running, complete decorate the location, complete preparation for the event end, analyzes project success, project documentation.
Project resources. For each task, we needed to assign a corresponding resource to that task. We made a resource list and assigned resources to each task. Our resource list is made up of our project teams, which include Group 8's members, volunteers, the influencer, food suppliers, entertainment developers, small businesses, the indigenous coordinators, and staff. It also includes the materials needed, such as invitations, advertisements, decorations, the venue, parking, etc.
This is our project's budget. For our slides project, we expected to make a gross revenue of. This can be broken down into. For registration, 250 people or $50 each are expecting, and total $12,500. Fundraising revenue, 250 attendees, $125 raised, and total $31,250. Raffle, 250 tickets, $10 each, and total $2,500. Sponsorship, 3 sponsors at $1,000 each, 5 sponsors at $1,000 each, 7 sponsors at $1,000 each, and total is at the total $7,250. And gross revenue is $53,500.
In our budget, we total the cost of our resources and come up with a minimum total expense of $8,114.16 with a projected maximum expense of $9,000. If we subtract this from our gross revenue, it leaves us with a net revenue of $45,385.40.
We plan to mitigate the risk by doing the listed things. For pandemic risk, alternative venue, providing masks, communicating changes on social media. For weather risk, checking the weather beforehand, choosing appropriate date. For operation risk, backup structure supplier, provide substitutes from stores or stock in advance.
Project quality. How will you test and ensure that the quality of the project meets stakeholder expectations and success metrics? What will you do after launch to ensure the quality of the project is continuously improved? What will you do before launch to ensure that the project or event goes smoothly? For customer expectations, we'll manage the customer satisfaction. For time and scheduling, we'll manage the due dates properly. For budget and cost, we'll properly manage values and have backup values in case of a change of plans. For our scope, we'll have a financial and administration manager. For our food, we'll have a survey. For our music, we'll have a playlist and DJ. For the small concert, we'll have proper scheduling and control the space. And for roles and responsibilities, we'll manage all the experts in each area.